Okay, hi everybody, I'm back, and I wanted to record this video so that I could show you how you would go about calculating some of these surface areas for the triangular prisms that we have here. Okay, just as a review, you remember that whenever you try to find the area of a triangle, it's 1/2 the base times the height. And the way that we find the height is that you're able to identify the right angle to tell you what the height is. Okay, we talked about that in class. This diagonal line is not going to be the height. You always look for the right angle to find the height. So if we're looking at these two triangular prisms, we're going to have to find the area for each side and add them up. Now, I mentioned in an earlier video that this triangle is going to be identical to that triangle. So once we find the area of this triangle, we've also found the area of this one. So the way I would go about it is that I would start talking with the front and the back. Okay, so I'm going to say the front and the back and find the area for those first. So the front area is equal to 1/2 the base, which is 1, times the height, which is 2. So 2 divided by 2 would give me an area of 1. Since this triangle is the same as the back triangle, the area for the back is also going to be 1 square foot. Then I'm going to get this front side, and I'm going to use a different color to illustrate that. So I'm going to be looking at this rectangular side. So this in green, I'll draw that one in green. This is going to be 3 feet by 2.2 feet. So this first side, let's call it the right side, is going to have an area of 3 times 2.2. Since it's a rectangle, I don't cut it in half. Okay, so this would be 6.6 square feet. Then I need to find the back side, and I'm going to take the back and I'm going to outline the back in red here, this triangle. So this left side, I should say, left side is going to be 3 by 2. So the area is 3 times 2. You see that? If this is 3, then this is going to be 3, and then this is going to be 2. So the area here is going to be 6 square feet. And lastly, the bottom part, which I'll do, I guess, in blue, this bottom rectangle here is going to be area of 1 times 3, or 3 square feet. So I'm going to add 1, 2, 6.6, 6 and 3 all together. This is 9, plus 6 is 15.6, 17, 18.6 square feet. Okay? And so what I did essentially there is that I was looking specifically at each side and of the triangle. Okay? And that's how I would get my area. Okay, in this case, I would do exactly the same thing, but the difference in this one is that they gave you the right angle here to show you where the height is. So, if I step through this, since the front triangle is the same as the back triangle, I would take 6 times 7 and divide it by 2. 42 divided by 2 is 24, right? So this is 24, the back side is 24. The bottom is going to be 6 times 10, or 60. And then this length and this length, I should write the length over here, that would help. But then I would calculate the length of the area of this triangle and that triangle, and then add them all together. Okay, I hope this helps. Okay, so what I wanted to show you is how you would go about doing this: the front, back, the right, the left, and the bottom. Okay, when I showed you how you unfold a prism like this using the magnet tiles, that was the idea, so that you could understand how to do that. Okay, hope this helps. Come with questions, let me know, and we'll talk more about this on the live chat. Okay, thanks, bye.